What's up, guys? So I'm back in my regular. I actually moved it though. I moved everything around. I cleaned. So do you like this setup more? I like it a lot more. I'm trying to restart my computer. It's not turning on right now. Pepper, I hear you wagging your tail. Just come here. Like, come here, babe. She's on that pink chair right there. That pink chair right there. Right here. Fanta, not sponsored. Nasty. I took a picture. Maybe before that. Maybe when I could get on the Roblox screen, I can go. Oh my god. You never know. Y'all, I just had an epic idea for my next. Hold on. Girl, are you okay? That was a gnarly fall, dude. No. Crap. Cat, leave it alone. Thanks. My cat was messing with my charger. Cat, stop. Oh my god. Stop it. Get off of it. Stop. Leave it alone. Obi? Got the spray bottle. Move. Peggy. That's my life. Okay, but I have, come on computer. I restarted it and now it won't turn on. Okay. So I had the list of future YouTube videos. Hold on, I'm adding this one. I don't have a lot, I only have 3. Wait, what was the one I just said? Oh, ASMR. Oh, no. Oh, no, I remember. All right. I have a whole list. And I'm just gonna show you 2. Make a smoothie bowl and do all types of YouTubers. I know, it's a pretty good idea. I found my scissors. I found a hair tie. Oh my god. Well, press the button. Okay. Hold on. 1. There we go. Then I need I'm trying to find glue. But I can't find it. Okay. Wait, where'd that go? Huh? You literally just cut a tiny piece of string. Okay, I found it. So, see this right here? We're gonna string the side through. Okay. Then it's a cute look. See, now you'll always know where the page you need is. Oh, my thing won't go. I sprayed her right in the bullseye. Dude, literally. Girl, like, I've never felt so smooth right there. For a certain reason. I have a razor. Look, here's how I use it. So. Hold on, I need to switch it. It's done. All right. But anyway, see you guys later. I hope I see you guys soon, and I'll get back to you when this finally turns on. Try and put some magic through the screen, will ya? All right. Bye. Hold on. Thumbnail. There. All right. One more. That works. All right, bye.